Hi guys, hi again, just another quick update. We have stopped the work for about 2 days because of what was going on. It was a military operation in Khan Yunis, 400 meters away from us. But today we have decided to resume the work. So the water well is being completed now, just in the school behind. It's a refugee school. So we managed to dig in down for about the level of 65 meters. And now we're just waiting for a generator to come and operate the water well. Inshallah, by the end of the day, we'll do an extension from this school into another refugee school, and then after we'll do another extension for about 250 to 300 meters to the neighborhood behind, and then we're going to do another extension further down. It's going to be about 200 meters to another refugee school. So inshallah, by the end of today, or when this project is completed, it will be providing constant, permanent water to about 4,000 people. Thanks a lot for your donation, and thanks a lot for your support.